Today, join us as we embark on an exhilarating exploration into the future of architecture. Throughout the history of our species, we have seen the development of new technologies, materials, and building techniques reshape the way we live, from mud huts to skyscrapers, from caves to cathedrals. We have pushed the limits of what we are capable of each step of the way. Ever looking to construct bigger, more practical and more magnificent buildings, structures and whole cities, and this is a trend that will only accelerate into our future. Let your imagination soar as we envision buildings ascending to unprecedented heights, crafted from materials that seem to defy the very laws of physics. Picture skyscrapers composed of revolutionary substances straight out of a captivating science fiction narrative. Creations such as carbon nanotubes have been touted as a revolution in material science, being exceptionally strong, lightweight, and chemically resistant. One use for this wonder material might be in space elevators. This is a theoretical structure designed to transport payloads from Earth's surface into space using a long, strong cable extending into orbit. The concept involves a tether anchored to the Earth and counterweighted in space, allowing for a continuous transportation system to and from space without the need for traditional rocket launches. Imagine all major cities having a space elevator at its heart, opening up low Earth orbit to industry and tourism alike. Yet our future construction journey isn't just an ascent into the sky, it's also a story of stability. As our architectural creations increase in scale, so will the need for more advanced support systems to facilitate this. Active support systems in this context involve dynamic mechanisms designed to adapt and respond to changes in a structure's environment, ensuring stability and structural integrity. These systems often employ sensors and actuators to actively counteract external forces, such as wind or seismic events, providing real-time adjustments to keep the structure secure. By dynamically responding to environmental conditions, active support systems enhance the safety and integrity of these creations. If implemented at scale, this could mean human fatalities from natural disasters will be greatly reduced, along with the need for disaster relief and rebuilding efforts. The design of our current cities are dictated by our history, with road networks sprawling throughout like an asphalt web. However, as our preferred methods of transport pivot towards more autonomous, efficient, and smart ways of getting around, we see a dramatic shift in the way we set up our cities. Walkways between skyscrapers will allow for a more integrated and interconnected urban area, making it possible to access almost all of the public buildings in an area without needing to take the elevator to and from the street. These networks of buildings will integrate their own transportation systems, such as interbuilding escalators, as well as connecting seamlessly with the city's public transport network. Now let's pivot towards sustainability, a cornerstone of the future. Picture solar panels seamlessly integrated into the very fabric of the buildings themselves, small, silent wind turbines placed atop buildings, each one capable of storing and distributing the energy generated. As our cities develop increasingly modular and efficient energy grids, power cuts become relics of the past. Having this level of power on hand allows new electric transportation and infrastructure to flourish, with the knock-on effect of a drastic boost in air quality, even in the very heart of our most bustling metropolises. Another common sight here will be vertical farms, vast towers of green. These are structures dedicated to the production of food, utilizing precise and advanced strategies, such as hydroponics and tailored artificial light sources to maximize crop yield. Having these in cities will help sustain the vast and growing populations without relying on trucking in food from many miles away. The techniques used means that fresh in-season crops will be available year-round and can be delivered from the farm to your table in less than an hour. These vertical farms will be precisely designed and constructed to ensure perfect climate control within, with temperature, humidity, and light levels being carefully optimized for plant growth. Thanks for embarking on this adventure with us. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more.